On example 2, notice we know the hypotenuse this time, don't we? The hypotenuse is 12. So what I'm going to say is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So 12 squared equals 8 squared plus, we'll say x squared. Well, 12 squared is 144, and 8 squared is 64 plus x squared. So let's subtract 64 from both sides. So we'll just have to do a little bit of algebra on this one. So in other words, 80 equals x squared. So then we'll simplify it, and you always want to simplify your square root. So x is the square root of 80. Notice I can break that down. 80 is the square root of 16 times the square root of 5. Well, the square root of 16 is 4. So this is the exact answer. Now you can use your calculator. If I take the 4 times the square root of 5, I get 8.94. I want you to notice if I would have done that before I simplify it, the square root of 80, we get the same answer, don't we? 8.94. So it doesn't matter when you do it. If they ask for an exact answer, I want you to simplify your square root. If they tell you to round, then you round it. Now, a Pythagorean triple, that's one of our vocabulary words. A Pythagorean triple are going to be 3 numbers that make the Pythagorean theorem true. That is 3 numbers such that the biggest one squared is equal to the other 2 added together, squared and added together. 5 squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. In other words, 25 equals 9 plus 16. Another common Pythagorean triple is 5, 12, 13, or 8, 15, 17, or 7, 24, 25. Now notice, I also can have multiples of those. So if I multiply everything by 2, I'd have 6, 8, and 10. Multiply everything by 3, I'd have 9, 12, and 15. So these are just nice whole numbers. Now if I look at example 3, I want to use Pythagorean triple here. So I want to use my chart. And I look at my hypotenuse is 26. Is there a Pythagorean triple where the biggest number is 26? Notice that's in the first row. So 10 and 24, which means if one side is 24, that means the other side is 10. Could I have used Pythagorean theorem on this? Sure, I could have.